This day in history, December 9th, 1979, global eradication of smallpox certified. After a coordinated 12-year effort led by the World Health Organization, smallpox was officially certified as eradicated on this day. The eradication campaign included mass vaccinations and rigorous surveillance in regions such as India and Africa, where smallpox had been most prevalent. This was the first disease in history to be eradicated, with the last naturally occurring case recorded in Somalia in 1977. 1965. Premiere of A Charlie Brown Christmas. A Charlie Brown Christmas, the first Peanuts animated special, premiered on CBS despite skepticism over its unconventional style. The special featured minimalist animation, children voicing the characters, and a jazz score by Vince Guaraldi, breaking traditional TV norms. It also included Linus reciting the nativity story from the Bible, emphasizing the holiday's spiritual message amidst growing commercialism. 1990. Lech Wałęsa wins Poland's presidential election. In Poland's first direct presidential election since the 1920s, Lech Wałęsa, leader of the anti-communist Solidarity movement, won decisively. Wałęsa's campaign built on his role in the Gdansk shipyard strikes of 1980, which led to the legalization of independent trade unions. His election symbolized Poland's dramatic shift away from decades of communist rule toward democratic governance. 1992. U.S. Marines land in Somalia. Under the cover of darkness, U.S. Marines landed near Mogadishu to secure key facilities for delivering humanitarian aid. Somalia, devastated by a civil war and famine, saw up to 300,000 deaths due to starvation and conflict by the time of the intervention. Operation Restore Hope aimed to stabilize the region, but it eventually became entangled in local power struggles, leading to further challenges. 2008. Arrest of Illinois Governor Rod Blagojevich. Federal agents arrested Illinois Governor Rod Blagojevich, alleging he attempted to sell the U.S. Senate seat vacated by Barack Obama. Prosecutors cited intercepted phone calls in which Blagojevich referred to the seat as effing golden, showcasing his efforts to leverage it for personal gain. His arrest marked one of the most infamous corruption cases in U.S. political history, culminating in impeachment, removal, and a 14-year prison sentence. Share your thoughts in the comments. For more history, subscribe, like, and share.